So once you've got those skills and those collection of skills, how do you assign those to the actual users that you have? So there's a couple of different ways we can do it. The first one is on our user section, where our administrator page, basically, where we create the users on the system. So you can see here we've got multiple users. If I find my user, we have a new tab on here for skills. So this is where you can apply the actual skill to the user itself. Now, you may have also noticed here, we have proficiency levels. So these are skill levels within the skill. So higher is better. That means the higher proficiency level you have, the more skilled you would be in that skill. So this is a way to prioritize users with the same skill. So if we have two users that have the product knowledge skill, one of them may still have more product knowledge. So we can prioritize users in that way. Now, the other way to add skills is through the user plans. Now, you may have noticed on the first page, we have a user plan setting there. The user plan to this date has been used for your capacity on your interaction campaigns. So how many emails, web chats, how many interactions can an agent take at once? It's also set there for dynamic nail-up settings we can set. But we have added the availability of user skills as well. So this is in the settings and on your plans page. On the user plans, as well as the settings I've just mentioned, you've also got the ability to add skills and add proficiencies there as well. If a user does use that plan, they would inherit the skills. So you can see here the guide example skill and the debt collection skill I have inherited from the user plan. So it's an easier way to add skills en masse to different users. And then if you need to make any dynamic changes, you can add the individual skills as well, if you want to. Okay, so now the skills are assigned to our users, how do we add those to actual imports? So the data that you import. We've added basically one setting, so it's very simple, very easy to use, and it's on the import page. On your second page with your main settings, we have a new skill group icon, or drop down, where you can assign a skill group to the data you import, which means once that data is imported, all the skills within that group are applied to that data. And that's effectively it. That's how you would add your skill groups to your data. The rest of the import process is as normal. And we can also do this on the API imports as well, using the template mapping page.